Good evening, Danbury. I'm student meteorologist Anna Moreno.
I'm student meteorologist Jen Muncie with the WestCon Weather Team.
We had a beautiful Sunday yesterday. We reached temperatures of about 50 degrees. Did you do anything fun yesterday, Jen?
I did. I went for a nice long drive. I had all the windows in my Jeep down. It was so nice and warm. For this time of year, at least. Did you do anything?
I actually played football yesterday. I played catch, yes.
Nice.
Went to the park, got outside, got to enjoy that beautiful day. So it was definitely a nice change up from the wacky weather we've been having lately.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Are the temperatures going to stay this way, or?
I don't know. We'll have to see.
All right. Well, I'll let you get to it. Have fun, Anna Moreno.
Thank you, Jen. So today we had a cold front that moved through our area, and actually this is a picture I took on my way to the science building this afternoon around 2 p.m. As you can see, we've just got some dark clouds that moved into the area, but just about like an hour and a half later, skies cleared up, that cold front moved right on through, and we had a very nice, pleasant afternoon for the most part, besides that dark patch of clouds that moved through. We got somebody on the grass outside enjoying this nice weather. So a look outside right now, the sun is starting to set. There's still really not many clouds outside. That cold front's out of the way. High pressure has been taking control of our weather as of currently. We have a temperature of 52 degrees, a dew point of 36 degrees, and some winds from the west at 3 miles per hour. So we have some weather headlines for this week. We're looking at a sunny Tuesday for tomorrow, some midweek rain for tomorrow night into Wednesday, and then there's a chance for snow on Friday. I'll touch on that in just a minute. But looking at the National Visible Satellite, there are those clouds associated with that cold front that moved through this afternoon, bringing those dark clouds. We've got, it's all clear in this area that's moving in our general direction, and that's thanks to high pressure that is currently in control. Here's a look at that high pressure, and then we've got a cold front behind that high pressure system that's going to move through into Tuesday, and it's going to bring us some colder temperatures for Tuesday. But then for Tuesday night, this system is going to move into our area and bring us some heavy rain Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But after that clears out, high pressure will build back in, and we have a fairly nice colder rest of the week ahead. So for tonight, we'll have a low of 28 degrees, partly cloudy, and it will be any clouds you see out right now will be clearing as the night progresses. For your day tomorrow, we'll have a high of 41 degrees. It will be sunny, and clouds will be increasing as that low pressure system does approach the area. Now for the rest of your week, we've got that rain Tuesday night into Wednesday. I don't think it will be any freezing precip associated with this because our temperatures will be too warm. We see here we have temperatures in the low 40s. Then for Thursday, as that clears out, we'll have a high of 31, partly sunny skies. Friday, there is a slight chance, 30% chance of snow. The models currently are not agreeing on its track or how much snow we'll get, so stay tuned to the weather team and we will definitely keep you updated on that. Saturday, a high of 36 degrees and another partly sunny day. But once again, I'm student meteorologist Anna Moreno. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to look out for Stephen Matrigano tomorrow at 11 a.m. and he will give you the latest updates. See ya!